Here's everything you need to know about growing and caring for your begonia plant. Begonias are beautiful, visually interesting plants you can grow indoors, but they can be a little picky when it comes to their light and water. If you've had luck with other plants, begonias are the perfect intermediate plant to introduce into your home. Plant begonias using a soilless potting mix in a pot with good drainage in the bottom. They are particularly susceptible to root rot, so it's a good idea to add a layer of pebbles to the bottom for extra drainage. Repot only when the pot becomes root bound. When it comes to watering, the soil should be slightly damp at all times, but not too wet. Test the soil with your finger before watering. The top inch should feel dry. Water the soil directly, keeping the leaves dry. Begonias also require high humidity to thrive, a challenge when growing them indoors. You might like to keep your begonia in the bathroom or the kitchen, where there's likely to be more moisture in the air. You can also set a saucer of water near your plants, which will create humidity as it evaporates. Don't set the pot in the saucer of water, since that could lead to overly wet roots and rot. You also should not spray begonias with water, especially Rex begonias. Misting does create humidity, but begonias are prone to powdery mildew, so it's better to keep the leaves dry. When it comes to the light requirements, it depends on which type you have. Cane begonias need bright, indirect sunlight. Rhizomedius and Rex begonias prefer a bit more shade. If leaves appear scorched, move your plant to a less sunny spot. Applying a liquid houseplant fertilizer every 2 weeks will encourage bigger leaves. Begonias are fun and easy to propagate. Snip off a cutting and keep it in a jar of water until roots form. Begonias are toxic to pets, though the most toxic portions of the plant are the underground tubers and roots.